Hi, so today we'll be cooking Saag Paneer, spinach and Indian cheese. Very quick and easy to do with our spices. So first you have a non-stick pan here, some oil. Up to you what oil you want to use. Olive oil, as we know, is a lot more healthier. About 3 or 4 teaspoons of oil. Okay, so then we have some garlic here. Just get a little, about this sort of much in there. And just let the garlic fry a little bit. You've got to be very quick, otherwise the garlic will burn. So you rather let it a little bit before it goes really red. You have onions and peppers, just cut onion and peppers. Put that in there. Stir it a little bit. Then just a pinch of salt. This will help to caramelise the onions quicker. And you can leave that on slightly slow while you're doing that. This is the Indian cheese paneer. You can pretty much buy this anywhere in any supermarkets and stuff. Cut the paneer however you want it, you can cut it. We usually, in the restaurant, just sort of cut it in smaller sizes. Smaller size is always better because it will cook quicker and it will cook the inside. Whereas the longer ones, the outside will look done, but the inside's not cooked. So smaller is better. So like this sort of size. And you put it in. The paneer always takes a little bit of time. The outside looks cooked. So as you can see, the paneer is starting to go brown on the outside. So you've got to be careful it doesn't burn the outside. You can always lower the gas so it cooks slowly, otherwise the outside will get burnt and the inside wouldn't. I'm just going to turn it down slightly. Okay, so as you can see, the paneer is, when it gets to like this, it's not burnt, it's just, on the outside it's just cooked a bit crispier. So you have to constantly move it, because if the paneer gets stuck in one place, it will burn. So then we add the spinach, baby spinach here. There are a couple of handfuls here. Just get the spinach in here to melt. So you can see the spinach is slowly starting to melt. So we've used baby spinach here. In the restaurant we do actually use a different type of spinach, but if you're at home, baby spinach is going to be your easiest way to cook this. And we're just going to add a little bit of butter ghee. That will give it quite a strong aftertaste. Then you've got the most important bit, which is the spice. That will give you the main flavour. So this is our Desi style spice. Get about a teaspoon and we'll just put it in there. Make sure your gas is very low, otherwise it will burn the spices. Again, optional. If you want it a bit spicy like anything, you can put some of our chilled chili spice in there, if you like it spicy. So don't rush the spice. If you rush it out too quick, it'll be very gritty. So you've got to let it melt in and it will get the flavours. So 2 things, make sure the paneer is soft. So this is quite soft, so it looks done. And then taste a bit. Is there enough salt? And then if there's not, add a little bit more. Because without enough salt, it could be very bland. And then you've got a tomato in half. Just for a little bit of colour, you put the 2 tomatoes in, some coriander. So that's all done now. As you can see, the spinach is melted in, the paneer is nice and soft, and that's all ready to serve up. So quick saag paneer done and ready to serve up. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share if you like my videos. Comment in the box below whatever you want me to cook, and I'll hopefully be able to do that in the next video.